Hello everyone, my name is Ajira Salim. Today I will show you the way how to prepare study area map by using ArcGIS 10.5 software. In research, describing study area in map or in illustration have better acceptance than that of describing the study area in sentence or in paragraph. It can also be easily understandable by the readers or by the reviewers to know the exact area where that research was conducted. With this fact, in most area of research, the researcher lacks this skill and gives less attention for preparing a study area when they prepare their research. So this video will aim to help those researchers who lacks the skill of preparing the study area by using ArcMap. So to do this, first we need to have ArcMap software and a base map that our research area were existed. So first open ArcMap and call the base map. For this case, the base map here is Ethio region and Ethio zones are my base map for preparing this video. So click add and directly can add both the regional and zonal map of Ethiopia. So from those two maps, we can select and create layers of our study area. So from here, we can select Amhara region. We can select Amhara region, and from the selected feature of Amhara region, we can create a layer for the selected features. So here we can rename as Amhara, and from the regional map from the zonal map of Amhara region, we can also select features of North Shore. So from the selected feature, we can create layers with similar steps that we go to for Amhara region. So click on this and rename as North Shore. Then after making this, we can directly go to data view from layout view. Here we have two viewing mechanism, data view and layout view. So we can directly go to layout view. Then after going to layout view, we can change the page and print setup. So here we can change from portrait to landscape, and scale map elements is proportionally change in page size. Then click OK. So after this, we can minimize the size of our map. Then we can make zoom to layer. Then after making this, we need to insert other data frame here. Here we can call Amhara and North Shore for the sake of this data frame, and we can move our data frame into the area that we want to see. So here we can also make zoom to layer. Then in the third step, we need to add the third data frame that North Shore zone should be displayed here, and we can maximize the size of data frame, and we can make to zoom the layer. Then after reaching on this, we can change the color of our map. For example, if we want to make a hollow for Ethiopia, click on this and make hollow. And if we want Amhara region to be hollow, click directly on this and make hollow. Then North Shore leave as it is. So after reaching on this, the remaining thing that expected from us should be the coordinate point of our study area. The coordinate point or the geographical location of the study area can be recorded by GPS or can be easily accessed from opening the Google Earth. So in our case, I have the coordinate point of our study area for the sake of this video. So after having this, we can directly go to XY. So click on this and directly type the coordinate point of the study area. Here the longitude of the study area is 39.7 and the latitude is 9.8. Then after writing or after typing the coordinate point, we can flash on the study area. We can flash and see the point where the study area is existed. So click on this and we see the point where the study area is existed. So after making this, we can return to data view. So after going to this, we can put a point on the area where the study area is existed. So click on this and we can see the study area on the map. So return back to the layout view and we can add the callout on the zonal map. So here after clicking or by clicking on this, we can drag and put on this the callout, and by double clicking on the callout, we can write the study area name. So double click on this and here we can write the station name. So we can click OK. So here we can see the area where our study was conducted. So after this, the remaining thing that expected from us is inserting legend, a scale, and north arrow. So we can directly go to insert and add, for example, if we want to add a title, click on this and write a title. For example, Amhara region North Shawa zone. Then click on this and drag. And if you want to add title for this, you can also write North Shawa zone. Directly click OK, and here we can give a title for this. And if we want to add north arrow, and select the preferred type of symbol from the mentioned here. So if we want this and click on this, then copy paste for 3 of our data frame. Here we can move the north arrow in this way. If we want to add the scale bar, click on this and select the preferred scale bar. For example, if we want this, we can add copy and paste and paste. Here we can add the scale bar for all of our map. After making this, if we want to add the grid on the study area, we can go to view and data frame property, then new grid, then measured grid, next, label only or tick only, and we can next, and here we can enlarge or minimize the font size and change the font type. So here, if we want this type of font type, and if we want to enlarge into font type 16, we can make that, and finally make finish, apply, and okay. Here we can add the grid in this way. Here we see the large font size, so we can minimize the font size of the grid. And if we want to add a legend, we can directly go to insert and legend here, and we can next. Here is, we can make a legend in this way. And finally, if we want to save or export this map, we can directly go to file and export map. After this, we make or we rename as study area. And here we can take as default and select the folder or the file that we want to save the map. For instance, if we want desktop, we can select desktop and save. Yes. So after saving this, we can directly access from the desktop. Here, study area. Here we can see the study area map of our research site. So we can copy this, and make paste in the place that we want. For example, if we want to copy and paste into the Word, we can directly paste here. This is all about the way of preparing a study area map. So if you have any question and suggestion, you can write on the comment part. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share the video for your colleagues. Thank you for watching.